Hi, I'm Danielle, and I'm going to show you what's inside the 4 Patriots 4-week survival food kit. Our 4-week survival food kit is designed to last one person a whole month. We have Frank's Favorite Alfredo. This is a fettuccine noodle with a rich cream sauce. Dinner Bell Broccoli Bake. This is broccoli and cheese all put together in a pre-made casserole. GRAMMY'S Sweet Oatmeal. This pre-sweetened oatmeal is perfect for breakfast. America's Finest Mac and Cheese. This is your classic macaroni and cheese that every kid loves. Buttermilk pancake mix. Perfect sweet buttermilk pancakes, easy to make. Creamy rice and vegetable dinner. This customer favorite is rice in a creamy sauce with real bits of vegetable. Fireside stew. This is a hearty stew that's chicken flavored and stick to your ribs thick. Sweetly coated banana chips. These are snackable right out of the package. Old-fashioned vanilla pudding. This classic is perfect for dessert. Long grain white rice. White rice is a classic across the globe for good reason. Heartland's Finest Powdered Milk. Our customers tell us they love the taste of our milk. Each of these meals is designed to last up to 25 years. That's 196 total servings with 38,000 total calories. All made right here in the USA and packaged in this water-resistant tote. The key to the 25-year shelf life is this Mylar packaging. We add an oxygen absorber just to be safe to make sure your food will last and be there when you need it. I hope you give our 4 Patriots 4-week survival food kit a try. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and tap the bell next to it so you never miss out on new products coming down the pipeline.